How to book flight tickets online Skyscanner. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can book flight tickets online via Skyscanner, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to book flight tickets online on Skyscanner, it is actually quite very simple to do. Just go to skyscanner.net, and if you are logged in, that's perfectly fine. If you're not also, first of all you have to select flights, not hotels or car hire, but flights over here. Then just select your pick up one, and then another one you have to simply choose a destination over here. So once you basically go ahead and then choose a destination and everything, you'll be able to see the dates. So tap the select option here and then just tap the search option, and then you should be able to search all of the flights over here. So here you can just go ahead and tap the select button, and once you do that, tap on continue, and then just tap the select option, pay for it, and you'd have successfully booked flight tickets online via Skyscanner. This way you can book flight tickets online Skyscanner. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.